Be honest with me. How many hours have you wasted recording voiceovers, tweaking the tone, and still ending up with something that sounds robotic? What if I told you there's a tool that can clone any voice in just 3 seconds? And it sounds shockingly real? Let me show you. Today I'm breaking down Noiz AI, and trust me, by the end of this video, you're going to wonder why you didn't find this sooner. Stick around. So I recently came across this platform called Noiz AI, and I've been testing it for a while now. In simple terms, it's an all-in-one AI voice platform. Text-to-speech, voice cloning, voice design, voice library, emotional voiceovers, multilingual video dubbing, all packed into one clean dashboard. No jumping between 5 different apps anymore. Noiz AI already has over 1 million users globally. And once I tested it myself, I understood why. Whether you're a YouTuber, a podcaster, a marketer, or just someone who hates sitting in front of a mic, this tool is worth looking at. If you're finding this helpful already, hit that like button and subscribe. You don't want to miss what I'm about to show you. Let me start with the text-to-speech engine because this is where Noiz AI really stands out. You paste in your text, pick a voice, and the AI doesn't just read it out flat. Their V2 model runs sentence-level sentiment analysis. It detects whether your text is happy, sad, dramatic, calm, and adjusts the tone, speed, and rhythm automatically. You get natural breath marks, real pauses, genuine intonation. It sounds like a human recorded it, not a machine. And here's the fun part. You can control emotions using emojis. Just drop in an emoji cue and the AI shifts the mood. I haven't seen any other tool do this, and it makes the whole process feel almost effortless.
Got accepted into my dream university. I need to call everyone I know right now.
Now let's talk about voice cloning. Most tools need at least 10 to 30 seconds of audio. Noiz AI? As little as 3 seconds. You upload a tiny clip, and it captures the pitch, tone, accent, and emotional style of that voice. The clone sounds nearly identical to the original, and you can use it across different languages while keeping the same vocal character. For comparison, ElevenLabs requires a minimum of 10 seconds for basic cloning and much longer for professional quality. Noiz gives you studio-level results with a fraction of the input. Now this is where things get creative. Noiz AI has a voice design feature where you describe the voice you want in words, or even upload an image, and the AI generates a matching tone. Type something like warm, deep, male narrator with a slight British accent, and the AI builds it from scratch. Or upload a photo of a character, and it creates a voice that fits.
That truly reshapes civilization. Often mistake volume for significance.
That's genuinely innovative. And once you've cloned or designed your perfect voice, you can store it. Noiz has a full voice library with pre-built voices, storytelling, documentary narration, conversational tones, even meditation styles. You can store unlimited cloned and designed voices and come back to them anytime. If you create video content, this is huge. Noiz AI can take your video, detect each speaker, translate the dialogue into English, Chinese, or Japanese, regenerate the voice in the new language, and even sync the lips to match. One click. Your video is now multilingual. For anyone trying to reach a global audience, this feature alone is worth the price of entry. Speaking of price, let's get into that. Most AI voice tools charge $19 to $50 a month. ElevenLabs starts at $5 but jumps to $22 for serious use. Noiz AI is a fraction of that. They have a completely free plan, 2,000 bonus credits a day, voice cloning with 5 slots, voice design with 5 slots. Solid way to test things out. The starter plan is $3.90 a month. The first month is $1.90, limited time right now. You get 150,000 credits, unlimited voice cloning, and unlimited voice design. Noiz AI is one of those rare finds that actually delivers. The 3-second voice cloning is real, the emotional text-to-speech sounds natural, the video dubbing works, and the price makes it accessible to everyone. I've dropped a link in the description if you want to check out Noiz AI. Right now, the first month is just $1.90 for a limited time, which makes it really easy to try. But they'll be increasing their prices slightly soon, so if you're interested, make sure to click the link and grab this deal before the price goes up. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Drop a comment telling me what you'd use Noiz AI for. I read every single one.